At kaugnay po ng balitang niyan, makakausap natin si Engineer Elmer Tecson, ang CDRRMO Action Officer ng Surigao City. Magandang tanghali po, si Jun Veneracion po ito dito sa Balitang Hari, sir.
Yeah, good noon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po. Sa oras po na ito, kumusta po ang panahon sa inyong lugar? Dito,
as mentioned a while ago, ni-report natin yung 773 years stranded. Actually, as of this point, mayroon ng update. We will give you the breakdown. Hindi pa namin na-account magkailan yung stranded. So far, it's already 1,000 plus. So,
ilan po, sir? Sorry, sir.
Will update.
Ilan po, sir?
1,000 plus. We have no figure yet. We are still going to count, getting the number of passengers stranded.
Ito pong mga stranded na pasahero na ito ay dulot po nung hindi pinapayagang pumalaot, ano?
Yes, yung stranded that's coming from Butuan, Davao, para isakay sa Bata ferry boat para for Leyte or going to Manila.
Yung po naman mga stranded ay nabibigyan naman po ng tulong, pagkain, kung ano pa pong suporta na kailangan nila.
Yes, sir. Mayroong, actually kanina, yung 773 count na stranded passengers is just this morning at 8 a.m. So, the SWD with Barangay LTO at Barangay Lipata, as well as PPA Port Authority ng Lipata Base Port, ay nag-coordinate. We have already distributed mga food packs sa mga stranded passengers.
Ano po bang mga mapanganib na senaryo ang nakikita dyan po sa inyong area, sir?
Dito is more of itong continuous rain. So, may mahina, sometimes malakas. So, as there were mga identified area na critical slopes or mga landslide prone areas. So, the special unit ng rescue is already making rounds to inform the barangay and the community na they should have execute evacuation if ever continuous heavy rains will prolong up to this afternoon and tonight.
So if ever pa lang po yun, wala pa po talagang mga preemptive evacuation na nagaganap as we speak, sir?
Wala pa. So far, wala pa at this point in time. So, but we have already ready mga 21 schools para for evacuation. This afternoon, we will be conducting an inspection sa mga identified schools para mag-clear namin kung ready na ba talaga.
As far as yung mga naka-ready na yung mga relief nyo, relief goods, in place na po lahat yun?
Yes, sir. Kahapon pa, we have already stocked rice, yung mga sandals, yung noodles, etc. yung ibang para as food pack para ready for the next hours to come or days.
Parang kakaiba po ito eh. Lalo na sa inyo, unang-unang buwan ng taon, ito ang pinaghahandaan nyo, bagyo.
Oo, yes, sir. And then, when we come up with a monitoring, parang mahina talaga yung bagyo. Imagine 7 kilometers lang yung galaw. So, sometimes it stay longer talaga. So, hope and pray na magkalabas na ito sa Philippine responsibility, area of responsibility.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Engineer Elmer Tecson, at mag-ingat po kayo dyan, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.